Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to collaborate on Instagram. So go for your plus icon and choose a video or photo and go for next. Go for next again. Click on tag people, click on invite collaborators, then search for the person with whom you want to collaborate. Then go for this check icon. Now you have to just go for share, and after that the person will be notified, and when he accepts the invitation, after that that post will be also visible that person's profile. So this is how you can collaborate on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.